And close to 150 teams will take part in this year's Social Development Commission National Community T20 Cricket Competition, as organizers recently welcomed a new title sponsor for its 16th staging. Teams will once again be vying for a grand prize of $1.5 million, with second place set to receive $750,000, with $325,000 and $175,000 allocated for third and fourth respectively. Executive Director of SDC, Dr. Dwayne Vernon, says this year's competition is once again expected to excite, with a number of top teams returning.
Teams that have won the competition in the 16th year returning. Of course, with the defending champions being Basketball from St. Mary, and the previous champion before them was actually Gale from St. Mary. So St. Mary has come on strong. We have the usual strong teams, the Old Harbour from St. Catherine, South Stars and Fairfield from Manchester. And of course, you have, when it comes down to cricket, you can't leave Junction from St. Elizabeth. So you have a lot of strong teams coming. Race Course from Clarendon. So really we're expecting to have a very good season with all these good teams.
Meanwhile, Senior Programs Coordinator Terence Richards says while the format will remain the same, there is a change as it relates to venues.
In previous years, we utilized like 4 venues in each parish. This year, we are utilizing just 2 venues because we want to give the players exposure to the best grounds in each parish, and because the number of teams are not the 200 and others they used to be. So 2 venues per parish is good for this year, and that is what we'll be doing for most parishes across the island.
The 2023 tournament will bowl off on May 7, with the grand final set for August 27.